I appreciate all the words, especially the wisdom from the great king. You know, how he put his concerns forth. Most importantly, not about anyone but the people, and how he highlighted that the church and the monarchies have always been a house for people, just for one purpose, because within the two entities, you get all people from all backgrounds. You got Zulus, you get Bedis, you get, like, under church, people who don't get along go to the same church. And under the same monarchy, the king rules everyone. So that's why these politicians, they must make sure that they have a relationship with Umfundisi and AG. That's where we come in. And then when we see that a king and Umfundisi are aligned, they know that it is actually in a way that you can't split them. It even goes further into the Bible. If you check, each and every king had a prophet. He was aligned to a prophet. Every king is aligned to a prophet. So there's absolutely no hands. When you go to Romans 13, you know, it really encourages that the people must respect Maranalifas. As we say, Maranalifas, they've been put there by God.